Dynamic crowdfunding. Campaign details. You have now reached the General Details tab. Here, you will decide what to put on the Call to Action button to get visitors to click through to see your campaign, and how to describe your campaign in order to get visitors to contribute. You must do this for each of your languages. Some tips. Your description is critical to getting your visitors to donate, so make it compelling. Tell a story. Be specific. Demonstrate the impact of the donation. Research shows that successful crowdfunding campaign descriptions are around 300 words. Now, click Next to save and define your donation brackets. You can enable up to 4 variations or donation brackets for each campaign. With each one, you can determine the donation amount, a short description, and a thank you message. We recommend that you do research to determine realistic donation levels. Remember that the amounts, like all other elements of the campaign, can be changed by you at any point during the campaign, so feel free to experiment. At the same time as determining the donation variations, you are creating the certificates of partnership that a donor will get after making their contribution. Notice that the currency is automatically set to US dollars. You can change the currency in the Settings menu. You can also alter the default variation here. This determines the bracket that will appear first to the user when they enter the campaign. Don't forget, as always, you will need to fill in all the fields in all languages in order to move to the next stage. Now, press Next to save and move to the final stage.